Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my classic size dashboard layout that is my catch-all happy planner for the week of Easter, so March 25th through the 31st. I'm going to be using these really pretty tulip stickers, floral stickers, and the matching kit to decorate this spread. I'm also going to be using my Easter quotes. All of my stickers in my shop are currently 50% off through the end of March, so hopefully you'll see this video in time. If you do miss it, the 50% off sale, I will have special codes available for 25 to 30% off continually. That's usually where I try to stay with my discounts. I've just, for the month of February and March, I did the 50% off. So make sure you're signed up for emails over on my website at 𝗑𝗏𝗟𝗡𝗠𝗠𝗡. Scroll down on the homepage. There's a place where you can subscribe to receive emails. You'll keep getting those special coupon discount codes every time I have a release or send out an email. So I picked out 2 washi tapes to also go with this spread. I've got a green, like a green striped, it's a real thin washi, and then I have this yellow scalloped washi. I don't know that I'm going to use these, but I just grabbed them because they match fairly well. So since this is the week of Easter, I thought it would be fitting, of course, to use the tulips. So I think what I'm going to do is decorate the bottom down here with these long, like tulip borders. If I can get this one off. And I think I'm just going to go down to the bottom of the page. I'm actually going to have to punch that hole right there. So I'll go ahead and grab my crocodile punch and do that before I forget, because I will forget. And I'm actually filming early, so yay. I have gotten my orders caught up, so I'm filming this spread a week early. It would be nice, ideally, if I could always film my spreads a week early, but that's not often reality. So we'll see if I can keep up this trend. I don't know. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. But yeah, for right now, I'm a little early in my filming. I can get this sticker off my finger. So I actually am planning on filming at least 6 videos today, to have 3 for this current week and then 3 for next week, or for this week for you guys. So we'll see how far I get. Okay. Now I think I want to take, I'm actually going to use 2 sticker sheets here because I want to take and continue with these at the bottom. Do I? Yeah, I do. I do. These are really pretty florals. Really, really pretty florals. Pink, yellow, and green are like really, it's a really pretty combination, color combination. Okay. And then I do want to stick a quote down here. I think I want to use, I know that my Redeemer lives, and I'm probably going to use this up top. And then I want to use a lot can happen in 3 days down here on Sunday. Now, I know that this is generally, or this is when we celebrate Easter, which is supposed to be a Christian holiday, but Passover is not this week. So, you know, that's a whole nother thing. But for the sake of decorating my planner spread and for the actual U.S. holiday of Easter and Good Friday, we're going to use Easter stickers. So let's see. I might actually use a lot can happen in 3 days on Good Friday. Let me make sure that my dates are correct though. Yeah, it's not actually written in my planner, but Good Friday would be, oh, there it is written. It's on the 29th. Okay. So I think I might put a lot can happen in 3 days, like maybe even in between Friday and Sunday. And then I'm still going to put, I know that my Redeemer lives up here. So yeah, just thinking out loud here, trying to figure out what I'm going to do with everything. I'm thinking I'm just going to take down here at the bottom this little corner floral. And then we'll kind of lay my quote down in the corner. My non-stick stickers are awfully sticky. I need to clean them. They're kind of goopy. All right, so let's go ahead and take A Lot Can Happen in 3 Days and put it, I'm going to put it like right here. Okay. And then I think I'm going to do my, I know my Redeemer lives up here, but I kind of want to decorate around this quote just a little bit. So maybe like that, and then I'm going to peel this up and put another little tulip set right here in this corner. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Okay. Now, let's go ahead with a box. No. Box. I would normally put a box here. All right, I think I'm going to go with the long box like I've done on the last 2 weeks, just simply because I can't evenly like space out my boxes like I normally would. So I think I am going to do a longer box here and then a shorter box and then maybe a box or 2 over here. So let's do, I'm going to do pink. I'm actually going to try to kind of stay away from yellow boxes because I really want to use that yellow washi. So let's just see what happens if I try to stay away from the yellow boxes. I think I'm going to put this over here and maybe decorate with a floral in between these 2 boxes. Just thinking out loud, y'all, thinking out loud. Okay, I think this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this and cut it like right here. And then I'm going to take another one, probably not this piece. I'm going to save this piece and I'm going to take maybe this. Maybe like this, and I'm going to cut around. Let's see. It's never straight. It's never straight with me. As a matter of fact, that was very crooked. So let's just see if I can put it together and make it look halfway decent. I do have that corner ruler that I should have used, but you know, I didn't. So all right, so I can already tell you that it's going to be crooked right here. So I'm going to try to peel up this pink box just a little bit. Oh, no. So that I can just kind of tuck the crookedness under the edge there. And try not to make a disaster. Okay, it's not too terrible. Not perfect, but not terrible. And then, let's see. I think I might just take this little piece that was left over. And just put it right here. Yeah, that's really pretty. Okay. And then, I might actually take, like, this. Yeah, I think I'm going to take this and put it down here. And so generally what I do in case I run out of room, like writing things on particular days, is I take a half sheet and I decorate it to match the spread, and I put it in between the two pages here, so that I can write like a continual to-do list or a brain dump or whatever I need to write on there. All right, so that's really pretty. Okay, now I don't even know that I want to add a box, you guys. I think I might let this kind of be it. I kind of want to add a little bit of black and white washi though. I actually used a whole sticker sheet. That's pretty cool. Let's see. I think I'm going to try, instead of the colored washi, I'm going to grab, let's see what I have for black and whites. I don't know. I have this. This might be really cute, actually. Let's try it like at the top and the bottom. Let's see what happens. Since I do have my black quotes, I feel like I need a little bit more black somewhere. So we're gonna just rip this into two pieces. Whoopsie. All right, I'm gonna give up right there. And we'll put this piece here. I think this black and white is probably going to make the colors pop. Oh, I used the same washi on the current week. Whoopsie. Oh, well, it's okay. I didn't even remember that. I haven't even started writing in the current week because today is Monday, so I haven't even planned for the week yet. All right, so now let's take this and put it right down here, except I do kind of want to rip this a different way. Okay, maybe like that. And then we'll cut this off. Whoops. All right, yeah, see, that made it look so much prettier. And I almost feel like I would like to, do I have thinner spotty dotty? Oh, I do, y'all. Look, I have really thin spotty dotty. So what I would like to do is take a little bit and put in the boxes here. So there, I'm actually, no, I was thinking about doing top and bottom, but I'm not going to. That's a little much. All right, so yeah, look how cute that is. Now I'm debating, I was debating on putting a box or some boxes over here, but I don't think I need to, really. I think it looks cute even with just boxes over here. So y'all tell me in the comments, what do you think? Because I think I'm going to be finished with this spread. So yeah, let's put it back in my planner, see what it looks like. This was another pretty quick spread. So I'm actually getting things done today. I'm not going to decorate a half sheet just yet. I have a feeling I'm going to be really busy this week because it's the end of my 50% off sale. I have a feeling I'm going to be pretty busy with stickers. So if I need a half sheet, I do have some of my florals left, and I'll just grab a half sheet and decorate it off camera as I need it. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you head over to my website, thepleasantlyplanned.com, and save your 50% off any and all stickers in my shop through the end of March. So that's it for this video. I'm going to film one or two more, so I'll see you guys on those. Thank y'all so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.